What's up YouTube, this is Coding for Noobs, and this is going to be our third Java tutorial. And as I said before, we'll be doing some simple integer input. And to do this, we're still going to be using the console window. So what we learned in our last programming tutorial was how to display integers and how to store the values of them. So like we did in the last video, we're going to do int I equal to 0. So we're just going to create a new integer off the bat and set it equal to 0. Now with this integer, we're going to want to read from the console and get the user to set it. So let's do system.out.println, please enter your favorite number. And actually, instead of println, we're going to do print. So what this does is instead of printing a new line afterwards, it's just going to print and then stop. And then you can print again from there. And you'll see what I mean by that in a minute. And what this does is we're pretty much just prompting our user to enter in something. We haven't done any input yet. To do the input, we're actually going to have to store, or we're actually going to have to declare something like a buffered reader or a scanner. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to use a scanner for now. I'll show you guys how to use buffered readers later. But the scanner just makes life easier. It's something newer in Java. We used to only be stuck with the buffered reader. But anyways, so we're going to do scanner sc equals new scanner system.in. So what this is going to do is we're going to create a new scanner object based off of our system input, and I'm just moving this to the top just to keep the code clean. But you'll see that we also have an error and scanner can't be resolved, and that's because we're missing our util import. So we're going to do import, I think it's java util, and then we'll do star. And I'll explain what this actually does later, the whole import thing, but for now just know that you need it. It just basically gives us a bunch of different things that we can use in Java, like the scanner. And so yeah, so we have please enter your favorite number. Next we're going to do I is equal to sc.next int. So basically what this does is it's going to read the next integer from the console window and store it in I. So now we can do system.out.println you entered the number plus I. And we'll do run, okay, and please enter your favorite number. So we're going to enter in 23, and you entered the number 23. So now that we've done some basic user input, we can actually start to make some simple applications, which in our next application, or in our next tutorial, we're actually going to show you how to do something like a simple conversion application where we're going to take one number and convert it to another and output the converted number. But for now, this will be the end of our tutorial. Like I said before, I'm just going to try to make a bunch of quick, simple videos just to get you guys started, and then later we're going to move into our Android development. Anyways, thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, or maybe some ideas to help me improve with these videos, just leave a comment.